Good morning, everyone. Myself, Madhu Solanki, and I'm here with my assignment, which is on API testing with JSON Server. So, without wasting any time, let's move to the assignment. What does it take? The assignment is about we have to do testing with JSON Server, and it is being named as Gmail simulation, in which our goal is to test understanding of API system and simulating mail platform and steps and the task which have been assigned to me. The first one, I have to create a mock API using JSON server. Okay, and second is to design the data sheet I produce, and basically I need to use here the SOAP UI. So all the project details and the assertions we'll be using in the SOAP UI. Okay, and the second thing is the overview would be email ID. This is the basic JSON server. Okay, so let's do this. For this, just to save my time, I have designed my JSON, which is uh, this, and now here we are using the font. So here is my endpoint, right? So this is the basic structure of my JSON. Okay, so this I'll be using, right? This is the URL which I'm copying. So starting project, this is the URL which I have copied from there only, right? And naming my quest just for an overview. I'll be running it. So this is the basic structure of my JSON is being implemented over here only. I just got from the command prompt, right? So according to my assignment, it is mm, so first one I need to get the HTTPS status code validation. Okay, let's do this. Here I'll be creating a test case. Okay, let's name this test case one, right? Let's close this. Ah, mm. So this is the request, right? Just implement is being coming here. Okay, this is correct. Now, first one is I need to add the assertion which is status code, okay, and which is 200. The two things, right? I'll be going to the assertion. I'll be adding this and be going to the valid HTTPS code, right? Code was 200, and as you can see, this this is being accepted. Moving towards second thing, which is response time check. Go and add this is being alive, right? Minimum time I've been giving is 1000 milliseconds, maximum 1000. Okay, this is also getting implemented, right? So we have till now we have done two things, right? So according to the revision, I've created the JSON. I have called that by that particular host, and I have created a test case. And secondly, I just verified the HTTPS code, and second, the response time, right? Now coming towards the JSON schema, right? So let me just copy again, verify this, and add this another assertion schema, right? This is so basically it's about is my JSON being provided is in the correct format or not. So it is also getting corrected. Let me just execute every single test case over here. So my all the assertions and test cases are working fine. Moving forward, my fourth one is mandatory fields validation to ensure the required fields email are present or not. Right. For this, I'll be going to my JSON, copying it, right, and this I've done already. So now this is right. So for example, I need to find that whether the receiver email that particular thing is present in my JSON or not, right? So I'll be copying this, right, and JSON existence map, right? So this is the particular thing which I have implemented from here only. The JSON path. Okay, so this present, right? We'll be testing if the response matches content or content was similar. Okay. So for example, if I do something else, right? Email receiver, it, right? So invalid JSON path expression means it is not the right. Let's test it for one. Goes for as attachment, right? As it is being present. So till now, our validation is successful, right? Let me just this case it is working. All my test cases are working, right? Coming towards the next part would be using mandatory field building into fields like the present, right? Which is basically it is about when whether the mandatory fields are being implemented over there only, right? So till now we have done this, and coming towards the next part is that email format validation, right? We are going to validate that the sender email and the receiver email in the proper email format only on, right? For this, I have generated some scripts here only just to save our time. And here we'll be going to the script part, right? And first thing which I am implementing is email format validation. For this is my script, right? So what I've done is basically we are checking that whether they are in the correct format or not, right? So this script has been approved, right? And on my this fine. Okay. Coming towards the next part is checking a Boolean field check, right? Like confirm field like is read and is start as had has attachments are valid booleans. Okay. So this is the script for the Boolean one, right? I'll be adding assertions. Okay. This is my particular script is working fine, right? So this is the particular steps for the validation of the values which is in the MyJSON, whether they are in the Boolean values or not. Okay, so next part is, and then moving forward, it is basically checking enum validation, right? Yep. Yeah, over here. Again, this is working fine. Same steps being included here only. Moving forward to the last one is to check the uniqueness of that particular is for the uniqueness. And coming here, questions, uniqueness in this hours. So after that, at last, we have validated all the things, right? And let me just pass all test case. So here, a JSON is being getting, and all the assertions we have created are getting passed. Thank you for watching.